Okay, so you want to know just how mind-blowingly awesome Einstein's was? Imagine this. One single year, this dude Einstein drops 4 science papers. Now get this. Any one of these papers could have been a Nobel Prize winner on its own. Seriously. First up, he tackled this weird thing called the photoelectric effect. Basically, how light can knock electrons off stuff. His explanation wasn't just some minor tweak. It was the jolt that quantum mechanics needed to go from being a kind of out there idea to a full-on mainstream theory. Think of it as the moment a band goes from playing in a garage to playing on a world stage performance like the Super Bowl. Then, he wrote about Brownian motion. You know how tiny particles in liquids or gases seem to jiggle around randomly? Einstein figured out that this jiggling wasn't just random. It was actually proof that all the stuff we see as solid or liquid is made up of a gazillion tiny particles bumping into each other. He showed how the big things we see are just the statistical result of all that tiny chaos. Mind blown. Next, he took on one of the biggest head-scratchers of the time. Why does the speed of light always look the same, no matter how fast you're moving? His special relativity paper didn't just answer that. It completely rewrote the rules of space and time. It basically created a whole new branch of physics and changed how we see the universe. And finally, bam! He gives us E=mc², his paper on mass energy equivalence. This wasn't just some cool equation. It explained how stars get their power and laid the foundation for all of nuclear science. Think about that. From how the sun shines to how nuclear reactors work, it all goes back to this one paper. The crazy thing is, all 4 of these papers weren't just little updates. They were groundbreaking, game-changing stuff that created or solidified entire fields of physics. And this was all in 1 year. The stuff he figured out back then is still super important today. From designing microchips to making GPS satellites work, from nuclear power plants to space telescopes, you'd be hard-pressed to find a piece of modern tech that hasn't been touched by Einstein's genius. He wasn't just special, he was a genius.